Hello students, welcome back to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In my previous lecture, I had provided you a brief insight about the different levels of management. And now, in my upcoming presentation, I will be discussing with you all in detail about the three levels and the functions that managers perform at each of the levels. In the administrative of top level of management, the top level of management consists of the board of directors and the chief executive officer. The chief executive officer is also called the general manager or managing director in some organizations. The board of directors are the representatives of the shareholders. That is, they are selected by the shareholders of the company or organization. Similarly, the chief executive officer is selected by the board of directors of an organization. The main role of the top management is summarized below. The top management determines the objectives, policies, and plans of the organization. They mobilizes, that is, assemble and bring together available resources. The top level of management does mostly the work of thinking, planning, and deciding. Therefore, they are also called the administrators and the brain of the organization. They spend more time in planning and organizing. They prepare long-term plans of the organization, which are generally 5 to 20 years down the line. The top level management has maximum authority and responsibility. They are the top and final authority in the organization. They are directly responsible to the shareholders, government, and general public. The success or failure of the organization depends largely on their efficiency and decision making. They require more conceptual skills and less technical skills. So these are some of the functions that the top management has to perform. Coming to the executive or middle level of management, the middle level of management consists of the departmental heads, branch managers, junior executives. They are finance managers or purchase managers in some organizations. Branch managers are also known as the branch head or the local unit as well. The middle level management emphasizes more on the following tasks. The middle level management gives recommendation or advice to the top level management. They execute or implements the policies and plans which are made by the top level management. They coordinate the activities of all the departments. They also have to communicate with the top level management and the lower level of management. They spend more time in coordinating and communicating. They prepare short-term plan of their departments and are generally made for 1 to 5 years. The middle level management has limited authority and responsibility. They are intermediary between top and lower level management. They are directly responsible to the chief executive officers and the board of directors. And they require more managerial and technical skills and less of conceptual skills, unlike in case of the top management. Now we come to the last level of management, which is the supervisory or lower level of management. The lower level of management consists of foremen and the supervisors. They are selected by the middle level management. The lower level of management are also called the first line managers. The lower level management directs the work and employees. They develop morale of the workers. They maintain a link between the middle level and the level management. The lower level management informs the workers about the decisions, what to take in the organizations, and they spend more time in directing and controlling the people. The lower level management make daily, weekly, and monthly plans, and along with the experience and basic management skills, they also require more of technical and communication skills. So these are some of the functions of the three levels of management. Thank you very much.